Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to fold this heart place card that also have a pocket at the back where you can insert another piece of note card or a piece of paper with your extra messages here, like this. So this heart place card is almost the same like the one I have it in my book, but this one is more simplified and less step to fold. The only difference is the back pocket is slightly smaller than the one that I have in my book. I'm going to show you. So this is the heart place card. It's hard to see here because the background is white. So for this one, you could have the place card about this wide, but on this simplified one, the note card will have to be smaller because the back pocket here, the size is smaller. Anyway, I'm going to start folding this, and I'm going to use the paper that comes with my book. You can fold this with any size of square paper. I like 15 by 15 centimeter because I think it is a good size. So first, barely fold this in half. And make a crease line. And then barely fold the bottom edge to the crease line. And then turn over, fold the top edge to the first crease line here. Turn over again. Barely fold in half vertically. And then fold the right edge to the center crease line. And make a crease from the crease line here to here. Repeat on the left side. So you only want to make a crease from this line here. You don't want to go over, otherwise your heart will have a crease line on it when you finish. Okay, now bring these 2 points on the top to the center. And then just fold this behind like this. And here, you want to fold the side back into the middle like this and line this edge to the back. When you do this, you want to make sure this triangle edge, you want it to be parallel with this line here. Like that. So do the same on the left side. Like that. Now you want to open this flap up like this. So open it, and you will get a triangle here. You just need to press it down. So you got a little pocket here. And same for this side. Now for this corner, down like this. And same for this side. Fold the top point down. And now fold the bottom edge up here. Tuck the corner inside the pocket. And last step, fold this up to line up with the edge. So this is how it make the heart stand. That's it. Finish. And insert the card here with name, and you have it. You can also use this as a bookmark if you like. So just put it in the pages like that. Show you. So this can be your bookmark. So I think it's very nice if this if you have a dinner party and you have this place card on the table, then your guests will get to have something to keep when they go home. They can take this and keep it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.